first I made that meltingly mouth-watering mozzarella and nectarine stack. And then I made that lovely lobster mac and cheese. And now, nectarines and noodles are gonna go all Asian in my Vietnamese vermicelli rice wraps. I wanna give my nectarines a little bit extra love, so I'm gonna marinate them in a little bit of honey and sesame oil. And if you've never made vermicelli rice wraps before, they're so fresh. It's all about fresh ingredients, and it's a really good way to use up any of your leftover meat. Literally just half and half nutty, rich sesame oil and sweet, syrupy honey. Toss every piece of nectarine so they can all get evenly coated and marinate in that delicious sauce. Perfect. Now while this soaks up all those flavors, I'm gonna get started on my other vegetables. And for them, I'm using my mandolin. Mandolins are really great because they allow you to cut even slices. For the cucumber, I'm gonna go just until I reach the seeds, and then I'm gonna turn it over. So once it starts getting kind of more thin, don't be a hero. Grab a cloth. And look at that. In no time at all, I have perfectly sliced cucumber. The reason that I love using vermicelli noodles so much is because they're really fast to cook. And if you have any friends that can't eat gluten, they'll be your extra best friend if you serve them these. And if you've ever had a vermicelli rice wrap before, they usually have fresh cilantro. All right, now all that's left is assembling my rice wraps. And when I have dinner parties, I like to give each person their own personal water bowl so that they can eat at their own pace. And just watch how fast this is. And in no time at all. Cucumber next. Maybe some lettuce for some nice refreshing crunch. My vermicelli noodles. Carrots for some beautiful bright orange color. Green onions. Some soft, fresh avocado. And deliciously refreshing cilantro leaves. Roll it over, kind of use your fingers to tuck it in, and then roll. Look how beautiful that looks. And if it does happen to break while you roll it, no big deal. It's still gonna taste just as delicious. Look at that. Now check out how beautiful they look once I cut them in half. Wow. Talk about a delicious, healthy lunch. I can't wait. Look at how fresh and colorful these are. Have a little bit of a peanut Asian dipping sauce. You really get some of that sweet sesame oil from the nectarines, and the carrots give it a really great crunch. And the rice noodles are so soft and velvety. Wow. So there you go. Nectarines and noodles.